Okay. Like you see, right now, the muffler is not making noise because, in fact, the interior part have bigger diameter, like I said before, by a lick tip shape. And right now, the muffler not making noise and is ready to sell. But in this delivery, this defect must be corrected by the producer. This is very important.